In this demo, we have a cloud administrator from the Air Force who wishes to instantiate two virtual points on their private cloud. One, Atomkit virtual points, and the second, Net Gateway virtual points. As a first step, the administrator runs our verification tool to verify the Atomkit virtual points by feeding in the directories of the mounted Atomkit virtual points and the base virtual points. Also, he feeds in the virtual points log that contains a full list of expected software packages. There are two steps involved in using the verification tool. It first checks every individual file that exists in the Atomkit virtual points against a wide list of known good hash values that we have. In the second step, after checking all the files, the tool generates the verification reports using the results. The verification report contains lists of installed software packages, including the list of unverified files and missing files for each package, and also the integrity scores for each package. Now, so we run the verification tool on the first Atomkit virtual points. The tool is first creating hashes of all the files in the Atomkit virtual points, and it will check the hashes against the whitelist once the hashes are generated. Right, so in the second step, the tool generates the verification report using those results. Now we can review the generated verification report. So on the left, we show the integrity scores for the software packages, and on the right, we show the package names. As you can see, all of the packages are given score 3 for this virtual points, indicating that it only contains cleanly installed software packages, and also that it doesn't contain any modified packages. This shows that this Atomkit virtual points is cleanly installed virtual points that is highly reliable to use, and it also shows that it doesn't contain any modified packages or any unexpected packages. Now we run the verification tool for the second virtual points, which is the Net Gateway virtual points. Again, the tool is generating the hashes of all the files in the virtual points, and it's checking the hashes against the whitelist. So after the verification process, the tool then generates the verification report using the results. And we can now review the generated verification report. So in contrast to the first virtual points, here we start seeing some packages that are given scores 2, which are partially clean packages that contain unverified non-critical files. You can also see the list of unverified files under each package and also the file types next to them. Here we see packages that are given score 1, which indicate modified packages containing unverified critical files. For example, this package contains lots of system files that are unverified, which were classified as executables. So this virtual points, in contrast to the first virtual points, has lots of modified packages installed, and it doesn't look too reliable. So in this demo, we showed how our verification tool can be used to check software integrity of the virtual points and what integrity information can be extracted through the verification process.